Today, the acting general manager of the Lankaputra Development Bank notified that a consensus will be reached regarding a complaint lodged by the former chief legal officer of the bank with the Labour Commissioner. This occurred when the complaint was taken up for consideration before the Assistant Labour Commissioner of Polonnaruwa today. The complaint was filed by the former chief legal officer charging that the chairman of the Lankaputra Development Bank had on the 4th of October last year had acted outside his scope as chairman and removed the former chief legal officer from the senior management and transferred him to the Polonnaruwa branch to work under an officer who was lower in rank, thereby rendering him, the complainant, redundant. It was confirmed at the hearing held today that the former chief legal officer of the Lankaputra Development Bank had been transferred and appointed to a position that is lower in rank without any valid reason. Those who created the backdrop for the former chairman Lasantha Gunawardena of the bank to reach such a decision without any valid reason was in fact an inquiry committee consisting of 3 lawyers. This committee was incidentally appointed by former chairman Lasantha Gunawardena to review an audit conducted by an internationally certified audit firm into the operations of the Lankaputra Development Bank during the previous government. It must be noted that the 3 lawyers in the committee who were appointed to conduct the review are not professional auditors. The committee consisting of the 3 lawyers had recommended that the chief legal officer of the bank be transferred, although the audit report by the internationally certified audit firm did not mention any inquiry, recommendations or conclusions regarding the legal department of the Lankaputra Development Bank. One of the lawyers in this committee that conducted a review of the audit report of the Lankaputra Development Bank was also part of the initial committee appointed by the Prime Minister to inquire into the central bank bond scam. The lawyer who was in both committees is Gamini Pitipana, with the chairman of the Lankaputra Development Bank acting on the recommendations of the committee consisting of Gamini Pitipana had transferred the chief legal officer of the bank to the Polonnaruwa branch and in turn appointed Gamini Pitipana to the position that was subsequently left vacant in the legal department of the bank. The chairman does not seek permission from the Minister of Public Enterprises Development but from the Minister of Finance. After being granted approval, Gamini Pitipana, who receives a monthly payment of 140,000 rupees for serving as a legal consultant / company secretary to the bank, introduced his vehicle service to the bank and generates another revenue. On Monday, he steps down from the position after several persons made complaints not only to the police but also made complaints to the Minister of Women's and Children's Affairs on certain incidents. More details of these matters tomorrow on Action TV.